I'm sure you're familiar with our nose mask, especially when you have respiratory problems. The nose mask is ideal. If this direction is not working, turn it over and you can adjust it so that it fits for your nose. And of course it comes with an elastic so that you can put it over your face. Some people need a smaller one, or especially when children have respiratory problems. This is why we created a system for the big one. So you can choose between the standard size or the smaller size. What you can do with both of them, what a massage therapist told us, when they have clients that are very hard, very, need a lot of work, they use the nose mask first. And you gotta try it if you have one. This feels so good. And you can give yourself a massage and it's really amazing. So try it and let us know.